What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel.
Nico Tia TV. Subscribe to the channel.
So, guys,
That's the intro, guys.
you're actually silly.
Silly, actually.
Nico Tia TV.
Subscribe. So, first things first, this video is in collaboration with Desenio, and they are a frame company, so they do frames and prints, you know, just to add that little touch to your house. I feel like frames make such a big difference in a house because right now, yeah, our house is so plain, but we've ordered...
Our house ain't plain. Our house is not plain.
No, it is. No, it is plain, babe.
No, it's not plain, mate.
It is plain.
What? We've got TV, we've got what?
Yeah, but decor-wise, it's plain. We don't have no decor, and you don't want plants, right?
I don't want no blood plant for the house, then.
You're not Jamaican. So before I show you the frames that we got, just want to let you guys know that I have a discount code. My code is NicoleXDR, and Desenio already have a 25% off discount, so I'm going to give you 10% off extra, and my code is valid from the 3rd of March until the 9th of March. So that does not include frames and personalised prints. So yeah, right, let's show you guys these frames. Also, we're going to show you our walk-in... Is it a walk-in wardrobe? It's not a walk-in wardrobe.
It's a flying wardrobe.
We're going to show you our wardrobe as well, guys. Because a lot of people have been asking us, where did we get it from? But little does everybody know, we made it. Every single time I've been coming on YouTube recently, I've been looking like I'm homeless. Guys, sorry. Next video, I'm going to look cute. I'm going to look human again. Let's go.
What's up?
You're so cute. You're a annoying little fish.
Subscribe to the channel.
Oh! We're meant to do this on camera. I was meant to take it out on camera.
But Nicole rushed and...
No, because I needed to see the sizes of the frames so we could order the prints.
She rushed and opened Desenio.
Desenio.
No, you're not from Italy, so you don't know how to pronounce the Italian way. Desenio. What do you mean Desenio?
Look at these big frames I ordered. This is like the best thing ever.
This is a fat as well, so it's a hard.
So we got this in gold and we also got this in black.
This is 61 by 91.5.
Oh wait, this is smaller than this.
Yeah, that one a fat thing still.
Oh my days, that's so sick. Let's show them. Oh my days, I didn't know that I ordered that. Wow.
Oh yes. This is gonna be a picture of me. This is gonna be a picture of you.
No. Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
What should we put in this one?
This one should go in our kitchen, isn't it?
Oh how? Wait. I even turned it wrong. Ready? Desenio. A picture of our food. How was that picture that we put on Instagram like that? That was hard. The Valentine picture. Yeah, that picture was hard still.
Wow. Lower. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
We'll be banging here still.
Yeah. Let's get this ordered. Wow, that one's flipping big, man. What size is the gold one though?
1,500.
We're gonna try and make like a gallery wall with the black frames, and it's gonna go here. We've got prints that we got today.
Let it come.
These are our prints. So obviously because we have a pink throw here, we thought let's add a touch of pink. Oh, my nails are pink. Now let's take these off and start putting them in.
How about we do 4 blacks and 1 white? I think that'll be banging.
It won't be banging.
How would it not be banging?
Because it won't be banging.
How would it not be banging?
Because the gallery wall needs to be the same.
How?
Ah!
What?
Anyway.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. We're going to use stickers instead of drilling the walls because...
Yeah, because that thing's all long.
It's long. I hate DIY. I mean, I hate drilling.
I don't like it.
I hate drilling. I hate making stuff. Just do it the easy way and just stick it on the wall.
Drilling is just long.
What this
Oh,
is?
we have to take those papers off. Oh wow.
Yes, babe, you do. Ah, so they have that little. I don't know what these. What's this called?
Clippers.
Clippers. They have clippers at the back. Oh god.
I don't even know if it's called clippers. Oh, this is very nice, you know.
So how did you think this was gonna work out?
We just put the paper on it. Boom. So what's this?
It says please remove protection film.
So what does that mean?
I'm sure like you have to remove the film, innit?
And then what happens to this paper?
Please remove protective film. We put the paper in here. That same way this came out, we put this one in.
So this will go inside too?
Yeah. I don't know why we picked this. Why did we pick this?
Which one? Babe, I was asleep and you showed me some palm trees.
Yeah, but like what's the meaning behind? There's no meaning. It just looks nice.
Madam palm trees.
Yeah. It reminds me of Ghana. Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah, Desenio is a very nice brand. They do everything. Everything makes sense. Everything makes sense. All their clips and clippers, everything makes sense.
Yo, this is so nice. Can't wait to put it on the wall.
Oh babe, put it on.
No, not yet, because we need to film it, put it on the wall. All together, no? Okay, we're just gonna speed it up now and speed it up. This looks so nice. If you don't want to stick it on the wall, you can place it.
It's called placement. Hey, your prices.
But I don't know how we're going to place it. First of all, let's put the big one in the middle. Can we ask Instagram?
Before we do it?
Yeah.
I don't mind, go on.
Cool. Tell them what we're going to do.
Oh, at this point, we are gonna Nico Tia TV. Subscribe to the channel. So at this point, we are gonna ask Instagram whether here is the one or here is the two.
Cool.
And yep.
So, guys.
Instagram one.
Instagram one.
Hey.
Wow.
The top one.
Look.
100 million votes.
No, I've put it up for 2 minutes. Guys, we need help. Should we put this at the top? Or should we put it here? Babe, make it straight.
Here. Or here.
Yeah, there.
Here.
Yeah.
Is it straight?
No, up a bit, down. A little bit down, Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is lit. Baby, this is lit. This is lit. Your only limit is you. Simple. Palm trees. Africa. Togetherness. Painting.
So, this is what it looks like.
This is Desenio.
Yes, you said it right the first time.
Oh, Desenio, yeah. Your only limit is you.
Yes, babe, tell them.
Like how I'm limiting this cushion on my head is the explanation. Your only limit is you.
Oh, this is what I got for your room. Wow, guys, I got a lot of frames for a little bit of money.
Oh wow, Desenio.
Oh, Desenio, we love you so much, man.
So this is gonna be for my room, innit?
Yeah. Oh, we actually have so many.
Yeah, we got best though.
Alright, cool. Let's go show you guys the final result to our wardrobe. We're gonna insert a few clips of how we made it.
Okay, guys, it's nearly done. Look. Yeah, I did this. It's called Bogus Wardrobe.
Alright, so guys, this wardrobe was from eBay, wasn't it? Or Amazon?
eBay.
Amazon. I don't remember where it's from, but we'll link it below. And literally, look how easy it is. Bonga's just putting it together. And yeah, we then went to painting it, and that's the next clip. First things first, Bonga is going to paint. First things first, Bonga the builder is going to paint my wardrobe. It's not really a wardrobe. It's like, what is this called, babe? What is this called?
What?
This.
Wardrobe.
Okay, my wardrobe. He's gonna paint it. Let me show you guys what happened because I'm really upset.
What type of wardrobe?
I bought rose gold spray paint because I wanted my room to be rose gold, but now I don't want it to be rose gold. I want it to be just gold. So unfortunately, this came out really trash. He spray painted this like 2 days ago and we left it outside to dry. It dried within like one night, but he didn't even really do a great job. Look at this.
I told you the spray was done, innit?
So now we're gonna paint it gold. We just went to the range and we got this gold paint, and it cost £9.99. And these brushes, 3 brushes for
£3.29.
all right, babe.
Initially, I mix this very good, so I need something to mix it.
Yeah, go get like a stick or something. But while he does that, I'm just gonna continue cooking chicken, rice and peas. Oh my god, yesterday Bogger bought me some fat wide mirror from IKEA. It cost £90.
See the food. You don't have to look too much.
I'm dead.
Let me show you how to make the paste.
Oh god. Alright, wait, let me just sort out the food.
Okay.
So at the first step, you have to mix it like you're doing banku. You have to mix it properly, you know.
This colour's nice though.
Yeah, it's hot still.
Really want the wardrobe to look expensive. Guys, it's not expensive at all. I think we paid £26 each for them. I think we paid £26 each on eBay, and that was that for 2. So that's like £52.
I need gloves.
It's so cute. You put rocks. Moment of truth, guys. Wow, you're gonna have to do like 8 coats. Okay, I'm coming to help. Food is on the fire, cooking. Let's go. we've just got home and I've decided that I want both of the wardrobes, the pole wardrobes, to be gold, because I feel like if one's black and one's gold, it might look a bit weird because my room is going to be pink, white and gold. So I feel like if I have a black wardrobe, like, it might not fit. So yeah, we've decided to paint both of them. So we've only done one coat. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like loads of like spaces. But so far so good. I think it looks so lit. I think it looks so good.
This is called Superland 2. Superland.
Subscribe to the channel.